Yeah, hello children, welcome back to Chemistry Wala classes. This is Satish Kumar. Today we are going to discuss top 20 questions from periodic table. So they are asking in the JE entrance exams and as well as NEET exam. Simple questions they are asking based on the modern periodic table especially. So that 20 questions we are going to check. First question. Element with the lowest ionization energy is francium. In the modern periodic table, the element which is having a very less ionization energy, that is francium, belongs to first A group elements, alkali metals. And here the ionization energy of francium is just 380 kilojoule per mole. And second question, element with the highest ionization energy. We know the answer because noble gases have completely filled valency shell, so they have highest ionization energy, and here the answer is helium. Helium is the element which is having the highest ionization energy, and here the value is 2370 kilojoule per mole energy required to remove electron from the helium. And third question, element with the highest electron affinity. We discussed already, that is chlorine. 7th A group element you can call halogen. So here the electron affinity value is minus 349 kilojoule per mole. And next, fourth question, element with the lowest electron affinity. That is very simple. Noble gases, they don't lose electron, they don't gain electron, they don't share electron. So noble gases have always lowest electron affinity. Then here I asked element with the lowest electron affinity is neon, and answer is 0 kilojoule per mole. And next, fifth question, the most reactive non-metal is non-metal. Halogens are the most reactive non-metallic group, and here the most reactive non-metal is fluorine. Very important, fluorine, because its electronegativity is nearly 3.98, so we can take round figure 4. And electron affinity of fluorine is minus 328 kilojoule per mole. So you can write element with the highest electronegativity, that is fluorine, and as well as that is the most reactive non-metal. Next, the most reactive metal. So here metal is calling most reactive. It means that can lose electron easily. So the metal which lose electron easily, that is called most reactive metal. And here the answer is francium, again first A group element, alkali metal, and its electronegativity is just 0.7. 0.7 is the electronegativity of francium, very less. And next, seventh question, the element with the large atomic radius, that is also francium, alkali metal, first A group element, and here the atomic radius of francium is 260 picometers, very important. Next, the element with a small atomic radius, obviously the answer is noble gases, that is helium. Helium is the element which is having smallest atomic radius. Then what is the value? 31 picometers. 31 picometers. And the next ninth question, element with the highest electronegativity, that is just now we have discussed fluorine, 7th A group element, which is called halogen. And I told you, according to Pauling scale, the electronegativity of fluorine is 4.0. Then element with the lowest electronegativity, 10th question. Again francium, element with lowest electronegativity. Metals have lowest electronegativities. Then metal with the lowest electronegativity, that is francium, very important. And here the value is 0.7 En. Electronegativity is 0.7 according to Pauling scale. Then 11th question, element with the highest metallic character. Here metallic character is nothing but electron losing character. The element lose electron easily, then that is high metallic. The element which is losing electron easily, that is highly metallic. Then what is the answer here? Same, first A group element, that is francium, alkali metal, easily loses the electron when they react with other element. And next 12th question, element with the highest non-metallic character, that is fluorine. The element which is having more electronegativity, that is called highest non-metallic. So fluorine is the topmost non-metal, highest non-metal character showing element in the periodic table. And the 13th one, element with the high density among alkali metals. The element which is having highest density from the alkali metals. Sometimes they are asking question, and here the answer is cesium, atomic number 55. Then what is the density of cesium? 1.93 gram per centimeter cube. Very important this value. Element with highest density from alkali metals. Alkali metals nothing but first A group elements. Then elements with lowest density among alkali metals, that is lithium, second element in the first A group or alkali metals. Lithium is the lowest density having element from alkali metals. And what is the density of lithium? 0.53 gram per centimeter cube. Then 15th question, element with maximum number of oxidation states. So that is manganese, very important. Element with the maximum number of oxidation states. So commonly it can show -32 +7. +7 is the maximum oxidation state of manganese, commonly showing +2, +4 and +7 in different compounds. But highest oxidation state, nothing but a high number of oxidation state shown element is manganese. -32 +7. +7 is the maximum oxidation state of manganese. And next, noble gas with the lowest boiling point. Noble gas with lowest boiling point, that is helium, just 4.2 Kelvin. Helium is the noble gas which is having lowest boiling point, that is 4.2 Kelvin, nearly 268 degrees Celsius. Next, element with the maximum shielding effect. You know very well, shielding effect is nothing but inertial electrons protect the valency electrons from the nucleus attractions. We discussed already in the ionization energy. So 17th question, element with the maximum shielding effect, that is very clear, francium, because total shells in the francium 7, so 6 inner shells are there. And next 18th question is the element with the highest melting point. Very very important question, that is tungsten. And the temperature is, the melting point is 3422 degrees Celsius, 3422 degrees Celsius tungsten melting point. And tungsten only highest boiling point element, nearly 5000 degrees Celsius. And 19th one, element with the lowest melting point, that is helium. Element with the lowest boiling point, element with the lowest melting point, that is helium, nearly 0.95 Kelvin, nothing but minus 272 degrees Celsius. And the element with the highest second ionization energy, highest second ionization. So that is very clear, helium. Helium is the topmost ionization energy having element, and the second ionization energy also highest for helium, that is near about 5250 kilojoule per mole. So these 20 questions are very important for competitive exams. I hope you got the points. Thank you.